Hey, this is Dr. Tim St. Ange at Thrive Chiropractic in Branson, Missouri, and I'm here today with Mallory. Mallory is a dancer on the Showboat Branson Bell here in Branson, and so she's very different than the type of person that I usually see because she has problems that are caused by doing too much, whereas a lot of people that I see have problems caused by too much sitting. And so it's very interesting and very different. But I'm going to let Mallory tell you some of the things that chiropractic has helped her with.
Honestly, chiropractic is the reason why I can keep dancing every day. I have a bit of a connective tissue issue, so my joints are really flexible, and so they move around a lot when I dance every day, and Dr. Tim really just kind of keeps me aligned so I can dance and my muscles function correctly because of it.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
Awesome. All right, so I'll have you lay face down. Same thing going on today then? Same usual stuff. Okay. All right. So we'll just start off by just kind of feeling around on her back. We're checking for areas of tension. And it's a little interesting on her because, as she said, she's really super flexible. And so an area of tension on her might actually feel normal on another person, but it's not normal for her. A little stuck right there. So now I'm really checking for her pelvic symmetry or lack of symmetry. By checking her leg length. She's off right there. Scoot down just a little bit. So on her, she had what we call a PI ilium, which is the right ilium bone is rotated back like this, and that typically matches up with the posterior sacrum on the other side, which in her case it does. So we'll adjust that as well. So she's more even, but not perfect. Go ahead and lay it on your side facing me. Actually, we're going to do this. So bring your leg down like that. Go ahead. So now I'm just trying to loosen up her piriformis muscle, which is a muscle that attaches onto the edge of the sacrum, and then it also attaches onto the femur. And when that gets tight, it can bind up the sacrum. So let's see. Definitely tight. Yeah. Okay, let me step again. Now she moves better here. Okay, lay on your back. good. Okay, so there you have it. There's an adjustment on Mallory. So have a great day. Thank you.